Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME V60 Pro and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find users and accounts. As you can see, I've got my my Google account added. However, I still would like to start with adding new one. So just tap on Add Account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and you can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, it's totally up to you. Here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me quickly do it. And tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so we can read them. Just tap on them and read, and then tap on I agree. And here we've got the section where we've got all our Google accounts added. As you can see, we just successfully added this one. So now, in order to remove the account, all you have to do is to enter the same section, so users and accounts, tap on Google, and tap on the specific account you'd like to remove. Then 3 dots icon in the right upper corner, and tap on Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account again, and it will immediately disappear. Of course, you have to confirm everything. Alright, and we've got only one left, so let me remove also this one. Okay, sometimes it will require more actions like confirming, etc. However, as you can see, we just successfully removed our accounts. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.